sticky keys on your windows. Hey guys, okay? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. And in this video I show you how you can turn off these windows that pop up when you type the shift key 5 times, the sticky keys. So if you're playing a game or doing something that requires you to press the shift key a few times, those windows when they pop up can be troublesome. In this video, you will learn how to disable both on Windows 10 or Windows 11, the latest versions, and also on previous versions. Do you like videos like this? Here on the channel there are already other related videos. Subscribe to the channel and leave a like. I'm always posting videos to help you. So guys, I'm going to teach the easy way, which you can use in Windows 7 for example. If you have, I'm going to close this window. And you down here, click on the Windows icon and type in Control Panel. So, the Control Panel has already popped up here. You can click here, Control Panel, or click Open, doesn't matter. Control Panel, you're going to click here on Ease of Access. Then you're going to look for the option, Change how the keyboard works. You're going to click. Then you're going to look for the sticky keys option. So it's here. To turn on sticky keys, you're going to click here, Set up sticky keys, and you're going to uncheck, guys, this option to change from the keyboard, the first option, so it's on. If I type, press shift 5 times, it's going to open up that window. I want to uncheck this option, and now I can press shift as many times as I want and that pop-up won't show up anymore. So I've already unchecked. Now down here you click apply. Then click down here on OK. For those of you who have the newest versions of Windows, you're going to come down here with your mouse cursor. You're going to press here on the Start button. You're going to look for the settings option, this gear here in this side menu. Settings. Then click on Settings and you're going to look for this option, Ease of Access, here on the side. I'm going to click. Under Ease of Access, here in the side menu, you're going to look for the keyboard option. So here, Interaction, Keyboard, click. And it's going to be here. If you check that option, you're going to uncheck it. In my case, it was already unchecked. So if you have it like this in your case, uncheck that option. So you've learned 2 methods to disable sticky keys. If you have any questions, put them below in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'm staying here. A big hug. Stay with God. Thanks guys.